gonna see what Million Mile Sprinter sent us. Okay, we know what they sent us. The blue van here had a little problem the other day and blew a radiator hose. So we're gonna replace that. And while we're in there, we're gonna replace them all. So we ordered some new hoses from Million Mile Sprinter. Since getting home, we noticed she's got a little incontinence problem. So figured probably by not putting antifreeze in there, just putting water in it on the side of the road, probably screwed up that water pump. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that too while we're in there. There's a little bit of corrosion in there. It's a funky water pump. And you know what we do with funky water pumps? Yeet. We take the hose off first, then we yeet. Trick question. New gaskets, of course. New water pump. If I remember correctly, no gasket seal goes on the water pump gasket. We just put that on bare metal. And we put things back together now. The manual says 14 Newton meters on a small bolt and 20 Newton meters on the big bolts. Water pump torqued. Go back to the E10. Make sure this hard pipe is torqued on. Boy, that is really hard to get on. There we go. Whoops. Let's not take that to 20. Dark has come. Well, almost dark, so I've set up some lights. Job's not done. Life got in the way. You know how that is. It was just over a year ago when I replaced the water pump on this van. I let the local auto parts store convince me that their antifreeze was good with any color antifreeze. Here I am a year later replacing that water pump. Coincidence? Not available locally, so I had to wait for Amazon to deliver. Having all the hoses off, I added about 2 gallons of fluid. Could have been 2 gallons of 50-50 premixed, or most people would probably advise 1 gallon of GO5 and another gallon of distilled or filtered water. Give me a shout in the comments below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. We're just talking about the antifreeze, so let's not get personal. I mean, that's got to be it, right? Mine looks a lot bigger. Story of my life. So let's see, digging through the hoarder's closet, I found another genuine Mopar part that I got from another source prior to knowing Million Mile Sprinter. It even has the Mercedes logo right there, but as you can see, it's different from mine too. I don't know why mine's bigger.